Hi, my name's Michael from Micron Services. Today I'd like to discuss smoke alarms and how modern house fires differ from house fires in the past. As little as 30 years ago, a person had up to 8 minutes to exit their home after a smoke alarm went off. Due to modern housing materials and furnishings, that escape window is now less than 2 minutes. Today's house fires burn 8 times faster and produce 200 times more toxic smoke than a house fire of 50 years ago. Modern plastics, glues and hydro-based products cause a faster fire growth rate. It used to take 30 minutes for a fire to engulf a room. Due to modern materials, it now takes approximately 3 minutes. The heat of a fire can quickly incapacitate a person. Modern materials such as plastic and glue can give off carbon monoxide and even cyanide. In August of 2016, the Queensland Government passed a 10-year plan to improve fire safety in all Queensland homes. This plan was to be implemented in 3 stages. Stage 1 required all relevant properties to be compliant by the 1st of January 2017. Stage 2 requires all relevant properties to be compliant by the 1st of January 2022. Stage 3 will require all relevant properties to be compliant by the 1st of January 2027. Stage 1 applies to existing owner-occupiers. Any existing smoke alarm being replaced, whether 9-volt battery or 240-volt mains powered, must be replaced by a photoelectric type alarm, ionisation type allowed previously. Alarms older than 10 years must be replaced. Inoperable alarms must be replaced. Any hardwired alarms must be replaced with another hardwired alarm. No legislative requirements to have alarms interconnected. Stage 1 will still apply to existing owner-occupiers. Stage 2 applies to dwellings being sold, leased, or having an existing lease renewed. They must be photoelectric type only, Australian Standard 3786 of 2014, and not also contain an ionisation sensor. The symbol of the ionisation sensor can be found on the back of the smoke alarm. Be less than 10 years old. Operate when tested. Be interconnected with every other smoke alarm in the dwelling so they all activate together. Smoke alarms must be installed on each story. Must have smoke alarms installed in each bedroom, in hallways which connect bedrooms and the rest of the dwelling, or if there is no hallway between the bedrooms or there are no bedrooms, at least one smoke alarm must be installed in the most likely path to exit the dwelling. Smoke alarms must be hardwired or powered by a non-removable 10-year battery or a combination of both. Stage 3. Stage 3 will encompass all of the compliance requirements of Stage 2. However, it will also apply to owner-occupiers. This effectively means that all dwellings will need to be compliant regardless of status. This page will demonstrate a single-storey dwelling and the comparison between a 2017 and 2022 compliance. The following page will show the same comparison, but this time on a two-story dwelling. The following page will show some smoke alarm pricings for the brands that Micron Services install. The first one is Red Smoke Alarms, Clipsal Smoke Alarms, and PSA Smoke Alarms. You'll note under each brand there are two products. On the left-hand side are smoke alarms with two 40-volt mains powered and a 9-volt alkaline battery, which needs to be changed at least every year, but preferably twice a year. On the right-hand side is a 240-volt mains-powered smoke alarm with rechargeable, sealed 10-year lithium battery. So the first ones displayed are Red Smoke Alarms, Clipsal Smoke Alarms, and PSA Smoke Alarms. Now underneath you'll also notice the yearly subscription of $99, which includes GST. That entitles you to a certificate of compliance to Australian Standard 3786 of 2014 and the Wiring Rules Standard of Australian Standard 3000 of 2018, which will be issued upon issue of invoice. Complementary updated compliance certificates will be issued upon first new lease after the installation. Complementary reattendance for beeping or false alarms will occur within 3 months of the installation. Yearly subscription covers annual smoke detector service and updated compliance certificate. If any compliance issues or defective products are detected during the service, Micron Services will replace or repair any warranty issues. Please note, complimentary services above only apply if Micron Services had completed the initial installation. Our website at micronservices.com.au has a very useful installation calculator that includes special pricing on safety switch or surge protectors if bundled with smoke alarm installations. You can scan the QR code on the bottom right-hand side of the page. That will take you directly to the smoke alarm quote page. The following page is a copy or an illustration of the smoke alarm compliance certificates issued upon completion of the installation. Thank you for your time. If you have any questions at all, please contact me on 0429 687 343, and my name's Michael. Thank you.